Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly on how you can change your Facebook link. Alright, so to do that, first what you need to do, you need to click on your profile setting tab. Alright, when your profile open, guys, you will see three dots. Just tap on the three dot, then scroll down, guys. You will see something like profile link. Your Facebook profile link should look like this exactly: www.facebook.com/your_Facebook_ID. Your Facebook ID normally be your name, all right? But mind you, guys, you can't be able to change your profile ID on the Facebook app, all right? But just watch the full tutorial, guys. I'm going to show you exactly on how to do that. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah, so let me try to open my Facebook app. Okay, so as you see, guys, let me show you my current profile link. All right, so yeah, your profile link 𝐓𝐻𝐼𝐈𝐓𝐄𝐑𝐖𝐬 is my profile link. Now to change this one, guys, I need to go to my messenger and tap on profile icon. All right, then tap on username and try to edit this one. All right, I want to change this current profile link, which is 𝐓𝐻𝐼𝐈𝐓𝐄𝐑𝗖𝐬. Then I want to have a new one, something like 𝗪�cyberking. This is the new username that I want to have. All right, which is known as profile link. Then save this one. All right, yeah. After saving this one, guys, let me go again to my profile. Let me go again to my Facebook app and show you the current profile link. Right, so as you see, guys, so this is it, guys. You can do the same. All right, that is all about the tutorial, guys. All right, the video is so short. If you want to see your Facebook link or you want to change it, you can easily do this. Okay, you can follow my steps, guys, to do that. All right, so if this is your first time, guys, to check on my channel or to come across my channel, guys, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be notified about it. All right, peace.